Hello guys, welcome today to my channel. My name is Jherrykizz aka Jherrykizz, the crypto musician. So yeah, I've done this video before and I made a withdrawal from this, so that's why I want to show you. Right, so before I'm going to show you the withdrawal, I've actually done this video already, but I deleted it by mistake, so I had to redo this again so that I can repost. Okay, so yes, I want to show you this withdrawal and I'm going to show you the withdrawal step on my next video, which is going to be after this. Right, so but this is, you can see the withdrawal from here, you can see it. So I'm going to show you this, how I withdraw it from here. Right, so Afcoin is a very nice platform, and you know, I can highly recommend, because you're not doing anything. All you are doing is to stake. You see the staking here. Once you have all your coins that you have staked, right, they come up on this point and then you stake them. Just click here, staking, right, and then you choose the coin you want to stake and then you stake. Do you understand? For example, let me unstake. I've unstaked all these coins. Now if I want to stake it, just click here, click maximum. If I want to stake USDT, if I don't have USDT, I can stake half. Right, click maximum and then you stake. Do you understand? It's as simple as that. Once you stake it, confirm, stake USDT also, max, confirm. So you have staked it, and then once this timer is done counting, this 22 10 46 that's counting, it's in Nigeria, it's finished counting by 1 a.m. so this time is actually following Malaysian time, because on the group chat the chat is Malaysia. So these are my personal records and my earnings, right? So once the timer finish counting, this salary and dividend will show a gold sign. Right, once you show a gold sign, then I'll click on receive to receive whatever coin in USDT and half that I get, and also on dividend. But if I have people under me that I've referred, I will click on shareholder also to receive, because I've done that today already. You can see I have already done that today already. Right, and then if I want to receive for invited people, I'll just come to invite and then I'll click on receive, which I've done. Okay, so yes, what else? I want to teach you how to swap. So to teach you how to swap, let's unstake this 100 half. This half balance now we have 264. 100 half equals to $1. Click on swap. 100 half equals to $1, just like the way we swap our coins on Binance or Trust Wallet. So it means we are swapping half for USDT. That's why half is up, USDT is down. If we are swapping USDT for half, USDT will be up, half will be down. So if we do 100 half, you can see the value of 100 half. It means it is 1.046, and the gas fee, handling fee, is 0.006, right? So it means if we do all, right, max 246 half, we are going to be getting 2.576, right, and the handling fee is going to be 0.15. and mind you, if you are depositing, the lowest amount to deposit is actually $10, and the lowest amount to withdraw is $5, right? So if you want to do USDT, let's say you are doing 10.933 USDT, you are going to be getting 1031.860 half, and the handling fee for half is going to be 617.171 half, right? So if we do $1, let's see how much is going to be for $1. If you are exchanging $1, it's going to be 94 half you are going to be getting. But if you do 94 half, you are going to be getting $1 plus, right? Because this is 94 half, because they are taking a percentage from here, which is 0.57 half. Do you understand? So I'm actually not swapping, but once you want to swap, you just click on that, click on swap, put the amount you want to put, and then you click swap. It will just swap automatically. So if you want to grow your balance, right, every 2 days, probably when you have received a particular amount of USDT or half, probably like maybe 2 half or 3 half, or maybe some USDTs, just click on unstake and stake back. It's the reason why I'm doing like that is because it makes you to earn faster. Do you understand? Instead of waiting to always receive. If you are on staking, not every day, like every 2 or 3 days, if you're on staking every 3 days after you have received, right, it will be adding up the balance you have above together with what you already have before, right? It will add up your new earnings with your old earnings together when you stake them, so that you can keep on earning extra, like earning more. Do you understand? Yeah, so that's one thing about the unstake and the stake, thing. If you want to deposit, this is where you should deposit from. Click on deposit, put in the amount you want to put in. The lowest is 10 USDT, so you can just type in 10 USDT, click next step, copy your wallet address, copy this wallet address, and you pay into it. The transaction hash, you don't have to get your transaction. Let's assume that we go to our Binance, right? Let's look for a coin. Let's look for one coin. Let's say we sent $10. We want to send $10. So let's assume we've made the $10 and we want to put in, our transaction hash. So this is USDT, one of the one I withdrew from. So this transaction hash is this TX ID that is here. You just copy it and then you screenshot this page like this. Screenshot the page and then you put it transaction ID here, and then the page screenshots from photo library. Tap it, choose, and then you click on what? Submit. That's how to actually fill in your deposit details. Do you understand? It's advisable to deposit, because if you deposit, you can actually earn without depositing. But now they've cancelled everything. You have to deposit to get Afcoin. Do you understand? Now when you deposit, you earn Afcoin, 300 Afcoin. It means as you are earning your deposit, you are also earning your Afcoin. The percentage is depending on the amount that you deposit will determine what you are earning. It means if you have $5, if you are earning $5 today, like every day you are earning $5. Once you earn $5, you can withdraw it. You don't need to be waiting to do any compounding or anything. Do you understand? Once you have $5, you withdraw. But if you are using $10 to invest, it will take you like 2 or 3 weeks. If you are using the on stake and stake method, it will take you about 2 or 3 weeks to be able to withdraw. Do you understand? But if you use a good sum of amounts, you'll be withdrawing at least a day, every day with $5. Do you understand? So that's how to. Now to put your wallet address, you go to wallet, digital wallet, right? You add wallet, choose the wallet you want to use, USDT, transaction TRC20, copy your wallet address from your USDT page, right? Go to deposits, USDT, you can type it, right? And then you scroll down TRC20 and then copy the wallet address, paste it there, right? Paste, enter your transaction password, and then you click on confirm. Do you understand? If you are adding a bank account, depending on the country you are, just add bank account. The account name, that's the name that you bear. Let's say Jeremiah Ayo Daniel, right? Then bank account name. This is not actually a Nigerian account because of what I choose, but if you choose NGN, it's going to be showing a bank account. I'll show you this now. Account number, you can put 00395744304. Then probably the bank name is COP, Access Bank, and all. So yeah, and then you put your transaction password and you save, right? I'm going to show you this in a bit. Let me show you. Let me use another account to show you that. This is one of my this person is actually under me, so I manage her account. So I manage this person's account, right? So you can see she has also withdrawn. She withdrew after I withdrew actually. So you go to transaction history, you can see $6 successfully withdrawn, right? And they deposited $5. So when you are withdrawing, they take a handling fee. So go to wallet, add bank. So she's using Nigeria, but let's say Jeremiah Ayo Daniel, right? And then bank, Access Bank, Wema Bank. Choose the bank that you want to choose. So I'm using Access, so I'll choose Access 00393957434. right? I choose my password, again transaction password, and I confirm. It will save. Do you understand? So that is how to actually add your bank details. If you want to withdraw, same here, you come to your withdraw, click on withdraw, put in your withdrawal amount. They say the minimum is 5. Do you understand? I told you. And then you put in your amount that you want to withdraw, and the handling fee is 1. Then choose your wallet, which is automatically there. Then you put your trading password and confirm. Instantly you will get your wallet, right, with your balance. Okay, so we are going to make a withdrawal from half game, right? So you can see that I've already added my wallet address. Let me show you. So I've already added my wallet, and you can see that this is my wallet, right? So the 15.067 USDT. Remember, your lowest USDT you can invest is 10 USDT, right? It's just that it's small. It will take at least some time before it will get to 15, but the withdrawal limit, the less withdrawal you can do is 5 USDT. So imagine that you are using like a good amount of USDT every time, like you are staking a good amount of USDT and you are earning at least $5 a day. You can be withdrawing it. Do you understand? So I want to click on withdraw, and you can see that it's showing me available balance is 15.067 USDT, and then 5 USDT minimum withdrawal. And so I'll type on 5. If I type on 5, it means I'll get, they will remove 1 USDT handling fee, which is 4 USDT will get to my wallet, right? So I'm going to put my trading password, right, and I'll confirm. So I've submitted for withdrawal. Now once I've submitted for withdrawal, you see that my balance is now 10.067 USDT. I will stake it back, because what I do is every time that I receive, I always add them back to the stake so that it will earn me more. So I'll stake back this USDT, right? Click on max and I'll stake. So let's wait for the withdrawal to process. You can see my personal records. You can see all the earnings that I've had here. So let's wait for the withdrawal to come in, and I'll show you guys the withdrawal to my Binance. Transaction history. You can see withdrawal, application in progress. So let's wait for it to show, right? Okay guys, so as you can see, the withdrawal has been successful. So let me show you guys. So let's go to transaction history. You can see withdrawal successful there, right? See, it's withdrawal successful. They credited $4 to my Binance. Let me increase my backlight so you can see. So let me go over Saju. Look at Binance here, deposit successful, $4, right? So let me go back to my Binance and still show you from there. Back home. So you can see it's USDT $4 completed, right? You guys can see it. So yes, Afcoin is working, guys. Afcoin is working. So you can see that we have Af Nigeria. I created this Af Nigeria group just to guide people that are in the team with me, right? So you can see questions and every other thing and guide that I give. So in case you register, you want more guide, you can join. You can see the main Af game platform on WhatsApp. There's a Telegram group. You can see that it is Malaysia, they all speak, right? So simple thing is just go to your if you're in this group, you just go to your Gmail, Google browser, and just type convert Malaysia to English. So you'll be able to do it, right? So you can see, you see a lot of people that have withdrawn. See, they give earnings. If you have up to 100 USDT deposits in your balance, they give you 10 half daily, right? So every day you get 10 half as a bonus. You can see somebody's withdrawal 362 USDT in this group. You can see another person withdrawal 190 USDT. So this is not a scam or anything. You can see another person's withdrawal 341, right? You can see this person's earning. This person has up to 889 USDT in their balance. You can see this person. This person is having 1,799 USDT, right? So you can see this person also 184 USDT without even half balance, and the person has $8 balance USDT. So the person can withdraw if the person wishes to. So you can see everybody shows their earnings, withdrawal, and everything on this group. So once you want me to guide you, just click on the link I'm going to put for my WhatsApp, this Half Ninja WhatsApp group, and then I will also send this group link so you can join, so you can also see how people participate in the group. People ask questions, you get it? So people ask questions, people earn on the platform. So yes, to register, if you want to register, you just click on the link. Once you click on the link, it takes you to the link. So the first one, it has to show like this. You are seeing my code GM381CNR. Please enter your email. Your email is very important. Put in your email, Maya JERRYMIAHEYO141 @gmail.com, right? So fill in the verification code. You click on send. They'll send the code to your Gmail and they input it here on this fill in the verification code, right? Now this +1, if you are in Kenya or any country, when you click it and you don't find your own country, just use the +1, put in your phone number, right? And it's not really compulsory actually, because your email is the one that is most important, right? Then when you put in the phone number, then you put your password, right? Combination of 8 to 20 digits of English numbers. So first one should be capital letter, and then the second one should be anything, and then a number, maybe 2 numbers. You repeat the same thing, and then 2 numbers. Everything should be 19 actually. Then you click on register. Make sure you don't touch this part where you have my code GM381C, so you can be under me and I can mentor you, right? So that is how to register. Just click on register and then you log in. Okay, then send me a message if you are done registering so that I can hold your hands and also guide you further. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and give us a thumbs up. God bless you.